Hey guys, it's SterlingW and it is camping season right now. And I'm going to show you my camping setup that I usually bring with me. This is really nice because it has a really fast setup 5-minute tent, which is cool. I also have these mosquito lights slash camp tent lights which hang on the tent, but they also act as really good night lights. If you don't want to be completely in the dark, you have this purple light that actually glows. Another interesting thing is that this is really awesome tent. It's just basically a quick pop-up tent, and it's like a big umbrella that just opens up. For sleeping, I actually have my Coleman sleeping bag, which is meant for like 30 degrees. I have my sweater, also a beanie in case it gets too cold. I have a beach blanket, which is, I just want a beach blanket. I have my over 10-year-old Therm-a-Rest, and I've been using this for 10 years. It's been awesome. I like it because it's self-inflating. Once you open it up, that foam inside inflates itself. I also have a full-size regular pump-up mat. Then this took probably 2 minutes to pump up by hand. It's very easy. So I also have a cot. So a cot is basically like a bed that's suspended up, and I put that mat on top of the bed, and I sleep in the sleeping bag, so it's super warm, super comfortable. It's really great. Why do I have a full-size air mattress on the floor? It's because the floor is hard, and I think a few times ago when I was camping, I actually got bruises on my knees going on this hard floor. So I decided to put a full-size inflatable mat on there so that I could just basically walk on the floor without getting too bruised. I also have a packet of wet wipes, so if I can't make it to the shower, I'll totally wipe myself down, or if it gets too warm, I can wipe myself down too. Another thing is that I keep a battery station or a power station with me. Novo one. It's about 148 watt hours, which is nice, and I put a USB hub on there so I could charge multiple devices. So like my cell phone, my phone, my watch, lights, those mosquito lights and the camp lights, they all are USB rechargeable, so it's really good in one ecosystem where I could just charge it all up at night or during when I'm hiking or going away from my camp, so I'll be ready the next day. Overall, I love the tent and camp setup that I have. It's very comfortable, and it's been very useful. Anyways, guys, it's SterlingW. I hope this review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.